Dirty pots are something that we all struggle with in our kitchen. I have tried different solutions and different products that claims to clean the pot without having to use too much energy to scrub in order to get desired result. However, I've never really found one that really does, the cleaning of the pots very well for me, until I found this solution that I'm about to share with you some months ago. Stick around because we'll dive into it right after this. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joy at joyphoebe.com, where we bring you steps and tips that will help you as an entrepreneur and as a content creator to build your business, brand, increase your productivity and impact. Today, I will be sharing with you about how I am able to clean my pot in a very easy peasy way. Besides that, I would love to know, how are you currently cleaning your own pots? Did you get a solution from the store that is doing the job for you without you having to stress about scrubbing it? I'd like to know, and I will appreciate it if you can leave that in the comment section below. Now, when I started cleaning my pots today, I wasn't sure if this solution was going to work, so I did not take the picture of these dirty pots prior. But I was surprised how effective this solution is and how it cleaned my pot. At this point, I said I have to share this with everyone, and here I am sharing with all of you. This is the pots, the ones I have already cleaned. See? Whoopsie! They are all sparkling clean. And this one. But I'm going to show you the ones I've not cleaned yet. And the solution. See? These are all cleaned. So these ones are not done yet. I've not cleaned these ones yet. So you can see how dirty, really, really dirty this pot is. And even the inside. And this one. So we're going to do this right now. And this one. Okay, here is the solution. What I have here is baking soda. And this is foil. I don't know why foil, but where I saw it, they put foil in the baking soda in a pot on the fire to warm it up. So I did the same thing. Trust me, this solution works. So I'm just cleaning all my pots in the house today using this solution. Yeah, it's just baking soda and these foil papers that I just folded them and then put them in. Leave it there for maybe about not too long, maybe about 5 minutes or so. You can see. And then using the iron sponge to start scrubbing it. And then if you have non-stick pot, don't use iron sponge. Just use soft sponge, but just soak it in this solution and then use soft sponge. So yeah, this is how I use this to clean my pots, and I thought to quickly share it with all of you. If you find this video useful and helpful to you, please share it so that other women like me can benefit from, using this to clean up their pots in their kitchen. Thank you very much for watching. Look at this. See? This is so fantastic, isn't it? Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.